What's up everybody, whydavis here, back with another review. So I'm showing you guys New Balance 9060 missing pieces in the silver moss green colorway. Alright guys, these officially came out yesterday and I had a lot of things going on, so I'm reviewing this shoe today for you guys. But the retail on this is $170. I was going for about $200 to $270. Now there isn't a lot of sales on this shoe, so if you guys want a pair, definitely put in a bid right now and have good chances of getting this shoe for near retail in my opinion. And as time goes on as well, these will go down in value because of the way the market is set up right now. We do get a standard normal New Balance box right here. I did go to size 10 on these. I have videos going true to size and up half a size. If you guys want to check those videos out, they will be linked somewhere in this video. But let's get into it, guys. So this is a shoe right here. I was able to get this from Prosper, which is the sister store or brother store to the Whitaker group, and the Whitaker group dropped this collaboration with New Balance, and James Whitaker is the head of all those stores, or basically the face of them. So let's get into it, guys. So open up the top of the box here. We don't get a stamp or anything on the inside of the box. We get some normal tissue paper here and taking out this beautiful shoe. It also does come with the same set of laces that I showed you guys yesterday. All right, but this colorway is a little bit growing on me now. These in person are just really smooth. Now the differences between that pair and this pair, of course, is the color scheme. But then if you guys look near the laces here, this one has leather instead of the 3M hits near the laces. All right, so the only part on this shoe that is 3M is the outside of the shoe, which has the N out there. I'll show you guys the looks right now. So pretty dope on this, but this one does have leather hits instead of the 3M. That's really the only differences other than the color change. All right, but pretty dope colorway. Let me know what you guys' favorite colorway is and what you guys like more in the comments box below. On the inside of the box here, we do get some extra tissue paper and things like that. And we also get this paper telling us how to take care of the shoes, because the shoe is a majority of a suede mesh material. All right, but let's get into it, guys. So if you guys have not heard the story about these shoes, it's called the missing pieces. And on the inside here, we have this hidden gem of Lady Justice with a blindfold, and she's peeking through it one side. Now on this insole, as you guys can see, it's like a translucent, so you can't really see it as clear as the other insoles. But basically the story is, you know, is Justice really blind? That's why she is peeking. I don't know if there's going to be a continued collaboration with this, because it is called the missing pieces. I don't know if there's going to be a part 2 to this, but we all will see what will happen soon, I guess. But shout out to James Whitaker. And also this collaboration is supposed to be about creating, you know what I mean? I am a creator myself. 3 years ago I started this journey of creating and trusting and believing in myself, and it's been going pretty well in my opinion. Shout out to today's sponsor, Kinetic King. Some of the best shorts in the game right now. If you guys are looking for affordable, stylish, and comfortable shorts, you gotta hit up Kinetic Kings. I normally wear them when I'm going to the gym or just chilling around the house. Now it is almost winter time here in the north, but these shorts are always in my rotation. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'm always wearing them to the gym and things like that. You guys can save 15% off if you use my code Davis. Save yourself 15% off. Normally shorts do sell out on the site very fast. You guys have to stay locked in on that site. But let's get back into the video. But let's get into it, guys. So on the bottom of the shoe here, we got like this peach color on the bottom of the shoe with some gray, and it says New Balance in the middle. Looking at the midsole here, it is an all gray on both the outside and the inside of the shoe. On the inside, we get the Absorb technology. All right, coming up towards the base of the shoe here, we get this moss green all around the shoe, which is a really nice color in my opinion. I do see a little bit of glue stains on these, but you cannot see these things from far away, only up close and personal. Once again, we do get that 3M hit on the outside in on the shoe, meaning New Balance. Okay, and we also do see like a lighter gray mesh. Same thing on the inside of the shoe, but on the inside we get the N stitched in like a silver gray color. Coming towards the toe box on the shoe here, these will not crease up on you, but you guys can use my code of whydavis to save yourself $5 off creasebeast.com. Looking at the mudguard, we do get the peach creeping up from the bottom of the shoe with the N showing. All right, now once again, they do come with an extra set of laces. They come with these gray type of laces in these. I kind of like the way the standard mint or moss green laces look inside them. If you guys look at the bottom right here, we get this N, and then we can see the leather hits on the bottom, which is gray. And at the top here, we see this nappy moss green suede. All right, on the inside of the tongue here, this tells where the shoe is from and everything like that. And the shoe was produced in 04/23. Give you guys a quick look real fast. Once again, on the sock lining, it is in a gray colorway, similar to how we see on the Daydream colorway. And soles, it does have Lady Justice on it and like a peach orange cream color. And on the back here, this cheap insoles come with the blue on the back. Underneath the actual insoles, it is white with some white stitching. Coming towards the back of the shoes here, it says New Balance with some gray stitching. And we see some TPU material down there and like a translucent, and that's pretty much gonna do it for the shoe, guys. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys my foot is in the toe box right now. Okay guys, so this is what they look like on feet. Pretty clean in my opinion. Now I'm a true size 9, normally get 9.5 on my shoes. I did go up a full size on these, but I have videos of me going a full size up, true to size, and half a size up. If you guys want to check those out, they will be linked in this video somewhere. Now with that being said, I have one unlaced, normally how I like to wear my shoes, and one laced up. With that being said, they feel really nice on feet. So I'm gonna show you guys my foot is in the toe box right here. So my big toe is right here, and I have a little bit of space in this toe box, as you guys can see, but I don't feel this material on the outside or on the inside of my foot. Now if you want a better wearing experience, go up half a size minimum in my opinion. If you have a wider foot, you know, same thing, but I like the way a full size fits on me. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like unlaced, and I don't have any slippage on this shoe, as you guys can see right here. So I mean, if I forced my foot to come out, I could, but you know, if I stood up and walked, you know, regular, I have no slippage on here, and they feel really good on feet in my opinion. So with that being said, you know, it's to your liking how you want your shoes to fit and feel, and depending on how long you're going to be wearing them and whatnot. But other than that though, they feel really nice on feet, and I'm gonna show you guys what these like some different pants options right now. Okay guys, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.